Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Muzammil Yaqub, lecturer Department of Technology and your instructor for this course, which is Computer Aided Building Modeling and Design. So dear students, in our today's video lecture we are going to discuss about properties, right? Properties function of AutoCAD 2016. So you can assign properties such as color and line type to individual objects, or as a default property assigned to layers in the following drawing. As over here in this picture you can see the walls, the interior, stone fencing, doors and text were created using different colors to help differentiate them. So let's go through some detail. The properties plate. The properties plate is an essential tool. You can open it with the properties command by just entering PR in the command window, or for shortcut you can use Control or Alt +1. So over here in this picture you can see where the properties portion lie in the ribbon of AutoCAD 2016. Now comes verify and change object properties. You can use the property plate to verify and change properties settings for selected object. If you select an object in your drawing to select, here is what you might see in the property plate. So over here in this picture the example is given. Notice that the current property for the selected object are displayed in the plate. You can see change any of these properties by clicking and changing the setting, right? Just select the object and it will show the properties of selected object, and from there you can change the properties of selected object. A property that is set to by layer, right, inherits its setting from the layer. It's a very important point, right, to remember. In the previous example, the object that were created on electrical layer, and over here you can see as well the layer name 20 electrical and are purple, right? The color is purple because that is default color of the object on that layer, right? You can see over here the color of the object is purple because the purple color is selected in that specific layer. If you select the several object, only their common properties are listed in the property player, and if you change one of these properties, all selected objects will change in one operation, right? So let's move towards next slide. Quick access to property setting, right? So for quick access to the most common properties, use the property panel. As you can see in the example, the listed properties will be determined by the current layer. In other words, current color, current line width, current line type, right? So the different property panels work the same way as the property plates. When you select an object, the current property setting are replaced by the properties assigned to the selected object, and you can use this panel to easily change the properties of one or more selected object, as we discussed in previous slide as well. Now come towards next part, which is matching the properties of object or match the properties of object, right? Or here in this picture you can see the icon of match properties, how it look like. So for shortcut you can type MA in the command window, or match pro, it is a shortcut as well, or select the source object and then select all of the object that you want to modify, right? So this is how it's work, matching the properties, or how we match the properties, right? So another thing you can do in the properties section is you can change the line type, right? So dashed or other non-continuous line types are assigned from the properties panel, right? As in this picture over here you can see the different lines types, for example continuous line or dash line, right? In the line type drop down list, right, over here. So for performing the following steps, so the first step is for changing the line type is just click the load, right? Choose one or more line type that you want to use. For example over here in this picture you can see there are different line types. So for example choose the line which suits your need. Then in second step click or click to show hide details to display additional settings, right? So over here in this picture or in this screenshot you can see the different additional setting options as well. In the third stage you can specify a different global scale factor for all line types, or the larger value the longer the dash and the spaces. So after selecting that just click OK. So once you have loaded the line types that you plan to use, you can select any object and specify a line type from property panel or property plates. Alternatively you can specify a default line type for any layer in the layer property manager. So this is how we change the line type in the property section. So let's discuss about line width, right? So the line width property provides a way to display different thickness of a selected object. So over here in this screenshot you can see the different line widths. For example the first one is 0.20 mm, then 0.25 mm, then 0.30, and the list goes on as you go further in this drop down menu, right? So in layout line weights are always displayed and printed in a real world units, right? So over here you can see the different settings of line weights according to the real world units, and line weights can also be assigned from the property panel as well. So these two functions are very important and most commonly used. So this was all about our today's video lecture, dear students, and inshallah in our next video lecture we will be go through some different other options or different other commands which are used in AutoCAD 2016. So till then, Allah Hafiz.